not really cooked, but still good. Alright, guys. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Doesn't look exactly appetizing, but I'm still gonna try it. Probably should have used some oil, but that's okay. Doesn't tell me how long my videos are, so there's probably gonna be 2 parts. This is probably gonna take up to like 10 minutes, and I know y'all don't want to watch me doing this for 10 minutes, so this is just part 1. Thanks for tuning in. Please like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. Signing off. This is Luke with some yummy, deliciously raw eggs.